Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to set up email to case in Salesforce. So let's proceed further and move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. Now for set up the email to case, we click on the gear icon and click on the setup option and then enter the email to case in the quick find box and then select the email to case. Email to case page is open. Here you can customize the way Salesforce convert customer emails to case. After you configure your email to case settings, add routing addresses. Each routing addresses is an exciting email address that your customers can use to submit cases to your support team. Emails automatically convert to cases based on the routing addresses setting. So firstly, we setting up the email to case, then we click on the edit button and here you can customize the way Salesforce convert customer emails to cases. In most cases, we recommend selecting all of the options on this page. So you can see there is an enable email to case checkbox. Sometimes this is disabled, so you can enable this by simply clicking on this checkbox and then scroll down. You can see notify case owner on the new email, enable HTML email, set case source to email, and save email to case attachment as Salesforce file are checked. Then scroll down. Here you can see the send emails for the cases are also checked and then again scroll down on demand services. Now let Salesforce handle the incoming emails for you. The email to case on demand service convert customer email into the cases or adds them to the existing cases. So that's why we click on the enable on demand services checkbox. Here the info comes up when we click on this enable email to case, then select this option. We recommend using the on-demand service unless you are using a custom solution to keep email traffic inside your network firewall. Not previously email to case built on an installed agent instead of the on-demand service. The older version is no longer supported and the agent is not available for downloads. Now scroll down and hit the save button. Now we come back to our email to case setting page. Now scroll down and here we can see there is a routing addresses section. We create the new routing address, so we click on the new button. Now here you can see the email to case routing address added section. Enter the information related to the routing. First enter the routing name. Here we entering the simply coding one step and then enter the email address. Here we are entering this email address, and if you want to check this controlled by permission set, then you can. If you select this option, only user with access through a permission set can use this routing address to send email. So if you want this checkbox checked, so you can, otherwise leave it as it is. This is the optional. And then scroll down, there is a case settings section. You can set your case owner as a user or a queue, and here we want to set the case owner as a user. Then click on the lookup icon and select the owner user, and here we are select the user as John David, and then we select the case priority and here we set the case priority as a high and then set as a case origin as a email and then hit the save button. A window is pop up. The email routing addresses will not be activated only until it is verified. You must verify this email address to ensure system security. Clicking Save sends an email to the specified address with direction on how to verify the change and hit the OK button. Now you can see our email to case routing address is created, and here you can see the email address. So verify this email address. So for this, go to your Gmail and here we come to our Gmail and here you can see the email is sent by the support salesforce.com, and you can see the routing name and the new email routing address. To confirm this email routing address, click on this link. Then email change. Thank you for verifying the email routing address. The email routing address is now verified. Click on the continue. Then come back to our email to case and refresh this page. And here you can see under the email address there is an email service address also. This is the routing address that is generated, and whenever the user send to this particular email address to any mailbox, the case will be created. And copy this email service address and put this email service address in your Gmail account. So go back to your Gmail, then click on the setting and see all the settings. And here is a forwarding and POP map option. Click on this and then click on the add forwarded address and then paste it and next. And there is a message occur forwarding mail to this, and then click on the proceed. And then there is a add a forwarding message pop up. A confirmation link has been sent to this, so hit the OK button. Now our confirmation code is sent to the Salesforce. Now go back to our Salesforce Lightning org. So let's go to my cases. Enter the cases in the search box. Select the cases and the cases present view page is open. Now click on the drop down arrow and I want to select all open cases. And here we go. You can see the Gmail forwarding confirmation received mail from this Gmail is sent to our cases record. Now click on this and you can see the Gmail team is sent a mail by this Gmail ID and you can see the Gmail. Now go back to your email to case page and here you can see our account is verified now. Email to case email address is verified now. So with this we have learned how to set up email to case in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.